a paper towel organizer to a heavy-duty pot rack, here are 10 must-have kitchen organizer gadgets to transform your cooking space. First of all, imagine opening your cupboard to see all your favorite spices neatly arranged. Number 1. The DecoBros Supreme Can Rack Organizer. The complete spice jar set can turn that dream into reality. Let's take a closer look at why this set is perfect for you. First, this set includes 24 glass spice jars with bamboo lids. These jars aren't just for storage. They keep your spices fresh and full of flavor. You get 24 shaker lids too, making it easy to sprinkle just the right amount of spice. No more spilling or overpouring. Labeling your spices is a breeze with 398 waterproof labels. There are 150 square labels and 150 round labels, all pre-printed. Plus, you get 20 square and 18 round blank labels, along with 60 expiration date labels. Imagine how easy it'll be to find exactly what you need while cooking. The jars come in a 2-in-1 shaker lid. This means you can open and close the jars with one hand. The shaker lid ensures even sprinkling of spices and keeps moisture out. Your spices will stay dry and flavorful for a long time. Organizing your spices has never been easier. The set includes a collapsible silicone funnel, a marker, and a brush. You can fill and label your jars without any hassle. Your kitchen will look neat, making cooking more enjoyable. This spice jar set isn't just practical, it's also a beautiful addition to any kitchen. The bamboo lids add a touch of elegance, and the glass jars let you see your colorful spices. It's perfect for anyone who loves to cook or wants to keep their kitchen organized. Think about how much easier meal prep will be with this set. No more searching through cluttered cabinets. Everything will be at your fingertips. It also makes a great gift for friends or family who love cooking. Number 2. Pot Rack Organizer. This organizer is made from heavy-quality, heavy-duty iron. It's strong enough to hold your heaviest pots without bending. Plus, the iron is coated to prevent rust, so it will stay in great shape for years. The round brackets are designed to protect your kitchenware from scratches. You can use this organizer in 2 ways. It can be one long pot lid organizer that adjusts between 18.8 and 22.44 inches, or you can separate it into 2 small organizers to fit different parts of your kitchen. This flexibility means you can place it wherever it works best for you. With 12 adjustable dividers, you can customize the organizer to fit any pot, pan, or lid. Turning your kitchenware from horizontal stacks to vertical storage means everything is easy to reach. This setup not only makes your kitchen look neat, but also helps you use your space more efficiently. Number 3. SpaceAid WrapNeat Wrap Organizer. You're about to wrap leftovers or prepare your lunch, and instead of rummaging through a messy drawer, you simply slide open this sleek bamboo box. It has 3 slots, perfect for plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper. It fits neatly into your drawer or can be mounted on your wall, whichever suits your style. Plus, with a size of 14 inches by 8.5 inches and a height of 3 inches, it's compact but spacious enough to hold all your essential wraps. One of the coolest features is the built-in slide cutter. Each slot has its cutter, so you always get a clean cut. No more struggling with jagged edges or wasting wrap because it won't tear properly. This makes your kitchen tasks smoother and quicker. Next, we have the WALI outlet shelf. Perfect solution to keep your essentials organized and within reach. Now, this isn't just any shelf. It's designed to be sturdy, sleek, and super easy to install. Here's why you're going to love it. The WALI outlet shelf uses your existing outlet to create an additional shelf that measures 4.3 inches wide and 5.1 inches deep. Despite its compact size, it can support up to 10 pounds, so you can confidently place your smart speakers, phones, power tools, or even toothbrushes on it. It's built to hold up and keep your space tidy. Now let's talk about installation. You don't need to be a DIY expert to set this up. In just a few minutes, you can replace your outlet cover with this outlet holder. No complex tools or lengthy instructions. It's that simple. Whether you want to use it in your bathroom, kitchen, dorm room, bedroom, or garage, this shelf will help free up valuable floor and countertop space. What's cool about the WALI outlet shelf is its versatile design. It fits right in with any room's decor thanks to its sleek and modern look. Imagine having a spot for your smart home devices, keeping cords organized and out of the way. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Number 5. Lifewit Utensil Organizer. This organizer stands out because of its thoughtful design. It starts at a height of 2 inches, featuring 3 large compartments. These compartments are perfect for holding your knives, long-handled spoons, tongs, cutlery sets, and whisks. Everything you need will have its own spot, saving you time and hassle. What makes this organizer even more special is its expandable design. It can go from 3 to 5 slots, fitting different drawer sizes. Whether your drawer is 13 inches wide or 22.4 inches, this organizer will fit perfectly. Another feature you'll love is the humanized design. The bamboo drawer dividers have grooves that make it easy to grab your cutlery. No more digging through messy drawers or struggling to find the right tools. Plus, it's very easy to clean. Just wipe it gently and it'll look as good as new. Whether you need to organize tools, stationery, cosmetics, or daily essentials, this organizer has you covered. It's perfect for keeping everything within reach and neatly arranged. Imagine the convenience of having all your kitchen tools, cosmetics, or office supplies neatly organized. No more clutter, just a clean and tidy space. The bamboo silverware organizer priced at $30 is your solution. But this innovative paper towel holder has a surprising twist that you won't expect. Number 6. The under cabinet paper towel holder. This paper towel holder can be installed either horizontally or vertically, depending on your space and preference. Imagine the ease of changing paper towels with this L-shaped design. It makes the process smoother and saves valuable counter space. Whether you place it under a cabinet or a wall or near the sink, it will blend seamlessly with your decor. The installation is incredibly versatile. If you have smooth surfaces like glass, smooth wood, or metal, you can use the adhesive tape provided. Just remove the protective film, press it on the surface for 30 seconds, and wait 24 hours. Number 7. SpaceKeeper Slim Rolling Storage Cart. SpaceKeeper 3-layer storage cart is designed to fit into narrow spaces in your home. It's 4.75 inches slim and has 3 tiers, making it perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, garages, closets, laundry rooms, and even offices. Picture it neatly tucked between your washer and dryer, holding all your laundry essentials. The cart comes with 4 stable, long-lasting wheels. Moving it from place to place is easy, even in limited spaces. Plus, it has 3 side hoops for extra storage, giving you more room to organize your items. One of the best features is the flexibility of the shelves. The 360-degree rotating casters make it easy to maneuver, and 2 brakes ensure it stays put when you need it to. You can remove the shelves and place them on your kitchen counter or bathroom without the casters, making this cart incredibly versatile. It's sturdy and durable, designed to last for many years. The cart is made of plastic, blending it with any decor, whether you place it in an office, mailroom, classroom, dorm room, or library. It'll fit right in. The 3 baskets provide ample storage space for your daily needs, optimizing space utilization and making your room look tidy. Installation is quick and easy, saving you time and effort. Imagine your home neat and organized with everything in its place and easy to find. Number 8. YouCopia Crazy Susan Turntable. YouCopia Crazy Susan Turntable is designed to make organization effortless. It comes with 6 clear removable bins and handles, so you can quickly spot and grab what you need without rummaging through clutter. Imagine how convenient it would be to have all your snacks, sauces, or skincare products neatly arranged and easily accessible. One of the standout features of this turntable is its ability to rotate a full 360 degrees on smooth stainless steel ball bearings. This means that even items at the back of your cabinet or pantry will come into view with just a spin. No more straining or digging for items hidden behind other things. The non-slip feet ensure that the turntable stays in place, protecting your cabinet or pantry from any damage. You can spin it around confidently without worrying about it sliding or tipping over. Setting up the Crazy Susan is a breeze. There are no tools or complicated instructions involved. Just place your items in the bins and you're ready to go. The clear bins are made from high-quality plastic, making them easy to clean and maintain. This turntable is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for organizing not just snacks and sauces, but also produce, vitamins, skincare bottles, craft supplies, and more. Its dimensions are 10.4 inches in diameter and 4.1 inches high, making it a compact yet functional addition to any space. Number 9. Water Bottle Holder. Well, this organizer allows you to adjust the shelves to fit any size. Whether it's a large sports bottle or a small sippy cup, you can customize it to suit your needs, making your kitchen more organized and your life easier. No more bottles rolling around or getting lost in the back. The soft, non-slip feet keep the organizer steady, while the grooved shelving ensures everything stays in place. Made from high-quality steel wires and reinforced plastic, this durable organizer can hold up to 15 pounds, ensuring it can handle all your bottles effortlessly. Setting it up is a breeze. In just 1 minute, with no tools required, you'll have a perfectly organized cabinet, whether you're short on space or just want a cleaner, more organized kitchen. This bottle organizer is the perfect addition. Number 10. Fruit Vegetable Basket. This 5-tier stackable fruit basket organizer is a game changer for your kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room. It's not just for fruits and veggies. Use it to store towels, toys, or any other items you need to keep tidy. The sturdy metal construction with a powder coat finish ensures durability, preventing rust and scratches. You can easily convert the 5-tier design into 2 separate baskets if needed. The assembly is straightforward, taking less than 30 minutes, and you have two choices for the base: wheels or foot pads. The wheels make it easy to move around with a 360-degree rotation, and the lockable feature keeps it secure in place. What makes the basket organizer special is its versatility. You get two small hanging baskets for extra storage, perfect for utensils or spices. The open design allows air to circulate, keeping your produce fresh and preventing rot. It's a great, ideal gift for anyone who loves a tidy, organized space. Once again, links to all these products are available in my bio, so don't forget to check them out. And for more upcoming content in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Until then, keep exploring.